Hello lovelies, thank you for joining me. How are you today? I'm going to do a kaleidoscope nail today. I've already done one, I've been playing. This is for Kristysuanne, a subscriber who, when a few of you were giving me suggestions, so thank you very much for that. And so she suggested kaleidoscope nails. If you remember a kaleidoscope when you were a kid, they were kept you entertained for about 5 minutes. So lots and lots of different colours, and it kind of radiates out from middle, and as you turned it, it made different patterns. So that's what I'm going to do. I did this one with blooming gel, but I'm going to do it without. But first, before that, I need to show you the collection that I used, which is from Madame Glam. So I'll get on with that, and then we'll come back into that design. So this is the Neon Wave collection. Look at them. It's like bling. Neon Wave collection for June the 4th. So I've got 5 of them. I'm guessing there's 8. Looks like I've got 1 glitter. And 4 really just bright neon. Look at that. Oh, wow. Purple Buzz. Let's start with that one. So, Purple Buzz. Wow, very nice. Perfect for summer. Perfect. And Aqua Shine. Very, very fine glitter in it. It's not the thickest of their consistencies, but it does cover. But still, 2 coats on that one, I think. So that's just got that shimmer in it. Wow, this is vibrant, zesty. Goodness me. I can see a lot of fruit nails happening with these. Goodness me, they are neon. Oh, especially that. Barbie Land. So I'll show you all these. I'll do a second coat, top coat, and then I'll pop back and show you, and then I'll get on with that set of nails. Come on, Fluff. It's not Fluff, it's Bubbles. No, it's Fluff. Got you. Goodness. And as I keep saying, stop stroking it, Susan. Come off. Wow. Barbie Land. And Electric Tangerine. I wonder if there's like a glitter and a creamy one to go together. Oh, that's a nice orange. Wow. Yellow, green and orange. Well, green, pink and orange are really really neon in the lamp. So we'll see which one turns out better. This one was done with a white background and then I've put all the other colours on. But doing this one now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this blue. So I'm going to use this aqua shine as the background. So I've chosen almond shaped tip today. And I'm just going to do this as the background, so I know there's some of this at least all over it. It's a slightly thinner consistency than the others, so I found that it was kind of disappearing. Or getting lost, should I say. So yeah, just one coat of that'll do. And then I'm going to put all of these other colours onto a palette. I've got out a dotting tool, a flexible silicone tool. Whatever you want to use on it, different shapes. I've got this one for little lines. I don't know what I'm going to use yet. I used them all on that white one, but we'll see. So instead of blooming, what I'm going to do is just use all these tools and put a pattern on. So I'll go for the straight first. Doesn't go as wide. And dots, orange. Yeah, actually it looks a bit camouflagey. That's a good idea to do camouflage with different colours. And then a fine brush. Fairly fine, this one will do. So I'm just going to do it almost symmetrical. I'm going to come in. So do I prefer it with the blooming gel? Maybe. Although, I just think I need more pink. So, here's this. That's it. So they'll all look different because you're doing them by hand, but that one's on the white background and it's on a blooming gel, and then that one's on the blue background without a blooming gel. So which do you prefer? I think I actually prefer that one. It's more vibrant being on the white, but we'll go with those for the pair. And then these, I will paint them in a white background, and we'll do swirls. Seems to be the in thing this year. So I'll do some swirls. Here they are, all done, top coated. So abstract hippie kaleidoscope nails. So yeah, I do think I like that one with the white background better than that one, but it's up to you. And every nail they do look different. So yeah, smashing colours for hippie nails, these. Neon or even Pride month, you could use these. Fabulous. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget 50% off for VIP from Madam Glam. If not, I've got a 35% off code, and keep your eye out for 50% off sales anyway. So yeah, thanks Madam Glam for sending me these through, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you've enjoyed the video. It will be lovely to see you again. Thank you so much to all my regulars. Love you loads. Take care. Bye.